I'm Ellie Setback reporting.
Fucked it up.
Yeah, the wheels fucked up.
So you gonna fix it?
Cobra knows how, him and his brother work on the car. Me dijo que lo traiga.
I'll go get him.
So they could see it first and then they'll start working. Me iban a cobrar 500 last time, so I'll just do it. Now I got to, I have to. I don't have a car. I'm not gonna have a car. Unless the insurance is like, here, 10,000 or some shit. Because the other guy didn't even have insurance.
Are you gonna sign Jeffy, Mike?
Huh?
Are you gonna sign Jeffy?
How old is he?
Does he play for the Lakers?
You can be a point guard for the Lakers.
Do you play basketball? Why box then?
His brother doesn't have sound.
He's clumsy as hell.
Brother not let him. Where's that for?
He's clumsy, bro.
We're like 10 rounds a minute. Look at that shit.
That's pretty good. Dana White would be very impressed with what you're doing, Mikey.
It was really like 2 rounds.
Well, it's actually 4, but who's counting?
He's not just.
But Vaughn, I don't need to know that.
If he doesn't make it in boxing, he's gonna go do like porn star something.
Everybody does like some weird ass.
El Henry. You remember Henry? Mendes.
He would blow.
You
don't remember seeing him?
In the gym? No, I never saw him.
Brian Valora used to mock him.
He's gonna be there too, right?
That's a cool little crew. Rolando, Valora,
Brandon.
goes there. And
Pelos Gordo.
Pelos Gordo. Marcos Reyes.
Sergio
Who's
Martinez.
there?
Maravilla was there.
Juan.
Blue, our boy Victor.
Cool little crew. Good little team.
That was my one.
He had the sparring too.
Hey, Mikey. Mikey, should I tag Dana White in this little video? It's just a little bit you in the mix.
But I don't have my hat.
We'll tag him just to start some shit.
Just to get people talking.
Yeah. So there you have it. Another great video for ES News. For ESNewsReporting.com, I'm Ellie Secback reporting, and you can follow me on Twitter @Secback, and you can follow me on Instagram @Ellie Secback.
Take a step back.